Hi everybody, welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. The Top Chef Northwest Arkansas 2023, hosted by Rogers Public Library Foundation, is this Friday, October 27th at 6:30 at Metro Appliances and More. Go to the Rogers Public Library Foundation website for tickets and more information. Our Take It, Make It for November is paper bead bracelets. The how-to video will be ready November 1st, and kits can be picked up at the circulation desk then too. On Saturday, October 28th, from 10 to 11, come learn about the basics of photo preservation with the Rogers Historical Museum. The Fall Plant Exchange will be Sunday, October 29th from 1 to 4. It'll be the perfect time for you to bring in your plants and exchange for some new ones. Team DIY for Monday, October 23rd, will be string art. And on Monday, October 30th, they're going to be making jack-o'-lantern lanterns. These programs are from 6 to 8. On Tuesday, October 24th, Teen Anime is a ghost hunt, which starts at 5 and ends at 7. And on Thursday, October 26th, is Teen Life-Size Clue. Now, this program is from 6 to 8. That one ought to be really fun because I love to play Clue. Children's will be having all of their regular programs. But on Saturday, October 28th at 10, we want you to come join us for spooky crafts in the Children's Library Storytime Room. On Tuesday, October 31st, which is Halloween, from 4 to 5, come to the library wearing your costume and join the children's librarian in a parade through the library for trick-or-treating. Well, that's it for now, and I hope you have a safe and wonderful another couple of weeks. Bye-bye.